Hold on to your hats, explorers. This is Billy the goat, the farm's very own mountain climber. Goats are nature's rock stars. They can climb almost anything. Trees, cliffs, even rooftops. How do they do it? Their hooves are like magic shoes, split into two toes with rubbery pads that grip like superhero suction cups. Guess what? Billy's favorite snack is everything. Goats are curious eaters. They'll nibble leaves, cardboard, tin cans, even your homework. Don't worry, Billy. Stick to the grass. Look at those eyes. Goats have rectangular pupils that let them see almost 360 degrees, perfect for spotting danger while climbing. And when Billy's happy, he wags his little tail like a puppy. Can you wiggle your hips and wag an imaginary tail? Wait, who's that? Billy's baby. Baby goats are called kids, just like you. Bucky's still learning to climb, but he loves bouncing off.
On the hillside, goats love to play, jumping and climbing all through the day. With curly horns and a cheeky smile, those tricky goats have endless style. Go, go, goat, jump up high, touch the sky. Wiggle your beard, shake your feet. The goofy goat groove can't be beat. Billy the goat loves to twist and spin, leaping on logs with a silly grin. He butts his head, then dances around. That playful goat won't settle down. Go, 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 jump up high, bounce on rocks and touch the sky. To the left, then leap to the right. Climb up high like you're taking flight, with a flick of the tail and a bouncy cheer. The goats are grooving far and near. Go, 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 jump up high, bounce on rocks and touch the sky. Wiggle your beard, shake your feet. The goofy goat groove can't be beat. Now skip and spin, then strike a pose. That's the goofy goat groove, and off he goes. Yo!
Baba! Look who's grazing in this sunny meadow. It's Woolly the sheep is in her fluffy flock. Let's tiptoe closer. That's how Woolly keeps an eye on her woolly friends while munching grass. Now feel this. Woolly's coat is so soft and curly. But guess what happens when it grows too long? The farmer gives Woolly a haircut called shearing. It doesn't hurt her. It's like getting a super short summer haircut. Then that wool gets washed, spun into yarn, and turned into cozy scarves, sweaters, and even teddy bears. Oh, listen, that's Bella the lamb, Woolly's baby. Lambs love to bounce and play, follow the leader with their flock. Can you hop like a happy lamb and say, ba-ba? Sheep are also superstars at teamwork. They stick together to stay safe from predators. When one sheep moves, the whole flock follows. It's like a fuzzy. Let's all line up and march
along. The sheep are rocking to their favorite song.
Giddy up, adventurers! Let's gallop over to meet Star the horse, the farm's fastest and most majestic friend. Horses like Star are incredible athletes. They can run up to 45 miles per hour. But wait, how do horses talk? That's right. They neigh to say hello, snort when they're excited, and even whinny to call their friends. Can you neigh like Star? Horses are also superhero helpers on the farm. Long ago, they pulled plows to plant crops and carried heavy loads. Today, farmers ride them to check fences or herd cows. Star's hooves are like magic shoes. They're hard as rock and clippity-clop on the ground. Let's stomp our feet and clippity-clop together. Look closely at Star's eyes. They're huge. Horses can see almost all around them, which helps them spot danger. And guess what? They can sleep standing up. But their favorite snack? Crunchy carrots. Let's all pretend to
clip, clop, clip, clop, here comes the sound. A happy horse is trotting round with a swish of the tail and a snort so loud. He prances proudly, feeling proud. Giddy up, gallop along. Stomp your hooves to the horsey song. Neigh and whinny, shake your mane. The horsey groove is back again. Racing through fields with the wind so cool. Horse leaps high, what a jumping fool. He circles wide, then spins real fast. That playful pony sure has a blast. Giddy up, gallop along. Stomp your hooves to the horsey song. Neigh and whinny, shake your mane. The horsey groove is back again. Trot to the left, then trot to the right. Hop and spin like you're taking flight. With a flick of the tail and a joyful neigh, this happy horse will dance all day. Giddy up, gallop along. Stomp your hooves to the horsey song. Neigh and whinny, shake your mane. The horsey groove is back again. Now kick and twirl, then bow down low. That's the horsey groove, now off we go. Now kick and twirl, then bow down low. That's the horsey groove, now off we go.